Hi there, my name is Tamara, and this video is my reply to the question on why me. I decided to make a video. I hope it will be easier for you to test the information in this way as well. I will try to keep it short, and I will start with just an overview of the industry today. So currently we see three main trends, so to speak. Is the first of all is the software is being commoditized, that the rapid software development is facilitated by open source tools, and of course we have generative AI, and everybody's crazy about that, and it's also democratized the programming skill, which means that on a daily basis, startups and software companies pop up as the popcorn in the microwave. That leads to the final to the conclusion that in order for your startup to stand out from the overcrowded market, you have to be very efficient and specific about your positioning, your value, how you communicate your messaging. It has direct impact on your pipeline and therefore on the revenue. What makes me different? I would say is the way of thinking. So I have this analytical mindset, and I'm always eager to learn new things, and then I'm able to decompose that into the actionable steps that I implement in marketing. First of all, it gives you the deeper understanding of how marketing is interconnected, or I would say it's integrated part of the business in general, because if you look through the definition of marketing is the knowledge of the market, so the customer, and it's not just the marketing department, it goes to the sales department and customer success teams as well. So the having these sense and understanding give me a better understanding on which tactics, program or initiatives to launch, and how it can impact different departments or the user through the entire the customer journey that they have. Next of all, next to this, I would say I'm preaching, or how to say it, I delve always about marketing is a holistic approach. You cannot expect just launching one initiative and you see already a significant result also in sales. So you have to take everything into consideration and build up the holistic, interconnected ecosystem or system of the actions in order to achieve the result. Especially for the SaaS companies, it's crucial that the marketing, what I call, is product-led. So the product is at the core. Understanding of a product gives you better ability to communicate the value to the customers and users. So I say product driven. I like to dig deeper into the functionality of the product, and I like to explore different technologies. So I'm a bit nerdy there as well. I have a good eye for the content. I started my career as a content marketing manager and have been writing ebooks and long form content, and have been developing messaging for the Runecast as well. And I think messaging is very important, but I also realize that the fundamental element is the deep understanding of your customers' personas. And I have been seeing in customers, in companies, having this mistake about the ICP, or like when building ICP, it usually just narrows down to, demographics. And I was like that as well. I was biased in that sense as well. But having such a, I would say, a limited ICP doesn't really provide you with the context of what triggered customers to buy your product at this very stage, at this very moment, on this, I don't know, Tuesday afternoon. So you have to look at the ICP in a bigger scale, and of course demographics and knowing which vertical company size provide you a little bit about the context. But it's very important to talk to your customers directly if you have such an opportunity, and have this dialogue to figure out exactly what triggered them to say yes to you and to commit to long-term relationship. So I mentioned already my strong sense for business, deep understanding of the marketing, especially product-led and holistic marketing. I have a good eye for content. I would say that my culturally diverse working environment also helped me to be adept and open. I appreciate open mind working environment and culture. Inclusion and transparency is also very important to me. I'm originally from Ukraine and I'm Ukrainian, but I've been studying abroad, living abroad, working with the people from a different cultural background. And I think that gives a lot of diversification in the idea generation, and therefore in the result. This is a little bit about me. You can learn more about my background and my achievements in my CV. Thank you for taking time and viewing the video, and have a lovely rest of the day.